When it comes to choosing a washing machine, top-load washers offer a blend of convenience, efficiency, and capacity that can meet the demands of any household. Whether you're tackling a mountain of laundry or just freshening up a few essentials, the right top-load washer can make all the difference. In this guide, we'll explore some of the best top-load washers available today, highlighting their features, performance, and what makes them stand out. Join us as we help you find the perfect match for your laundry needs. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Deco Home Portable Washing Machine. If you're navigating life in a small space, the Deco Home Portable Washing Machine is designed with you in mind. Measuring a compact size yet packing a powerful punch with its 250-watt motor, this washing machine revolutionizes how you handle laundry in tight living environments like apartments, dorm rooms, and recreational vehicles. Say goodbye to frequent trips to the laundromat and embrace the convenience of doing laundry right at home. This mini washing machine efficiently cleans your clothes, using your preferred detergent, thanks to its innovative agitation and rapid water movement. You can trust that dirt and stains will be thoroughly removed, leaving you with fresh, clean laundry. Plus, with a transparent lid, you can easily monitor the washing process, ensuring you're always in control. The Deco Home Portable Washing Machine also features a low agitation spin cycle that effectively dries your clothes without the use of heat. This not only protects your favorite garments from stretching and tearing, but also ensures they maintain their quality over time. Whether you're a busy student or someone who simply values convenience, this washing machine is a game changer for your laundry routine, providing you the freedom to tackle laundry on your schedule. Enjoy the ease of clean clothes, all within arm's reach. At number 4, Comfee Portable Washing Machine. If you're searching for a space-saving laundry solution that doesn't compromise on performance, the Comfee Portable Washing Machine is an excellent choice. This full automatic model features 5 washing programs: heavy, soft, normal, rapid, and soak, along with 3 adjustable water levels. You can easily customize your wash by selecting the load size and adjusting wash, rinse, and spin times to suit your laundry needs. Measuring just 18.1 inches wide, 17.7 inches deep, and 31.5 inches high, this compact washer fits seamlessly into small spaces such as cabinets, dorms, recreational vehicles, or even bathtubs. With convenient wheels and handles, you can effortlessly move it wherever you need. The transparent lid design adds a touch of convenience, allowing you to monitor washing conditions and water visibility. Built with a durable, rust-resistant steel inner tub, the machine includes a lint filter, water inlet, and drain pump to make dirty water disposal a breeze. Stay informed with the LED display, which clearly shows the remaining wash time. Moreover, this washing machine is energy efficient, boasting a Department of Energy certification that highlights its low energy consumption, up to 87.5% less than similar models. Even with a powerful motor and a spin speed of up to 840 revolutions per minute, it operates quietly, making it ideal for homes where noise reduction is a priority. With the Comfee Portable Washing Machine, you'll enjoy a practical and efficient laundry experience no matter how limited your space may be. Number 3, we have the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer. If you're seeking a convenient laundry solution, the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer is designed for your lifestyle. This compact washing machine, measuring 21.3 by 21.7 by 36.6 inches and weighing 70.5 pounds, allows you to wash up to 11 pounds of laundry in one go. With 6 cycle selections, normal, heavy, delicate, quick, bulky, and spin only, you can easily tailor your wash for everything from baby clothes to delicate lingerie. The functionality of this washer is impressive. With 3 water level options for small, medium, and large loads, along with hot, warm, and cold temperature settings, you have complete control over your laundry. You can also take advantage of the delay start feature, which allows you to plan your laundry up to 24 hours in advance, making it easier to fit laundry into your busy schedule. The machine's durable stainless steel tub, featuring a top-loading transparent lid, enables you to monitor your laundry as it's being cleaned. The advanced impeller washer ensures a thorough clean, while the auto unbalance detection optimizes washing performance. Safety and convenience are paramount with features like auto shutoff and child lock protection. Plus, its design promotes mobility with 2 rollers, side handles, and adjustable leveling legs, making it easy to move from room to room. The included connector adapter, water supply hose, and drain hose complete your laundry setup, offering you a reliable washing solution that fits seamlessly into your life. At number 2, COSTWAY Portable Washing Machine. Are you in need of a reliable and efficient laundry solution that fits seamlessly into your compact living space? The COSTWAY Portable Washing Machine is designed for you, offering a perfect blend of functionality and convenience. With a capacity of 8.8 pounds, this full automatic top-load washer simplifies your laundry routine. Thanks to its innovative 2-in-1 function, you can wash and dry your clothes without needing a separate dehydrator. The machine features 10 washing modes and 5 water level selections, putting you in control of your laundry with just a few simple taps on the easy-to-use control panel. Weighing only 43.5 pounds and measuring 18 by 18.5 by 31 inches, this portable washer is ideally suited for apartments, dormitories, or any small space where laundry facilities are needed. You'll save both water and detergent, making it an eco-friendly and cost-effective choice. The humanized design enhances your experience. With a transparent lid, you can monitor your laundry's progress, and the adjustable feet accommodate uneven surfaces. Plus, the child lock mode ensures added safety in homes with young ones, while the automatic unbalance detection prevents vibrations by correcting cloth distribution within the stainless steel tub. With the COSTWAY Portable Washing Machine, tackling laundry becomes a hassle-free and efficient task, allowing you to focus on what truly matters in your busy life. And finally, the number 1 of our list, BLACK+DECKER Top-Loading Washing Machine. Are you looking for a dependable washing machine that can handle your family's laundry needs? The BLACK+DECKER Top-Loading Washing Machine, featuring a spacious 4.1 cubic feet capacity, is designed to make your laundry day efficient and hassle-free. Whether you have heavy-duty stains or loads of towels, this washer is equipped to tackle it all, making it the perfect addition to your home. The top-load design, paired with an agitator, ensures that your clothes receive a thorough clean while being gentle on the fabric. You can trust the durable stainless steel wash tub to resist rust and wear, providing long-lasting performance for years to come. Not only does this washer offer robust cleaning capabilities, but it also features 10 different wash cycles. From heavy-duty to delicate, you can easily choose the right setting for all types of fabrics, ensuring your laundry receives the care it deserves. For those with busy schedules, the time delay feature allows you to plan your washes at your convenience. With the flexibility of a 24-hour delay, you can start a cycle while you're out, returning home to fresh, clean clothes without missing a beat. Invest in the BLACK+DECKER Top-Loading Washing Machine and experience the ease of efficient laundry care, designed to fit seamlessly into your daily routine. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which top-load washer you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.